14 hours. What are 14 hours? Like, I don't know. 14 hours are nothing. So, how are you helping them change themselves in just 14 hours?
The biggest mistake people do on LinkedIn is just following a framework कि हम ऐसा लिख देंगे, हम वैसा लिख देंगे. हम सोचते हैं बस LinkedIn से ना मुझे काम मिल जाएगा, मुझे नौकरी मिल जाएगी, which is definitely important. But that should not be the only goal. Your goal should be. Most of the students would say I'm hardworking, I'm reliable. No, ये तो सभी बोलेंगे. So what sets you apart is what. When you get up in the morning, how do we all get up? And especially the youngsters.
Open the phone.
That's fine. I'm not asking you to stop that. But even before that, late हो गए. अभी ये सब करना है. So the moment we get up from the bed, we are already overwhelmed.
Right.
Human beings are visual creatures. We listen through our eyes first and then through our ears.
True. That's 15 years back. Like, somebody's looking the job with 15 years of experience. Still, they are getting rejected again and again. So, why?
They have that in them. It's
True.
just that they get stuck somewhere. So when you have a mentor with you, then I help them create a new personal brand around them, create a new image, and bring out their strengths. And that's how this program
Wow.
works.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pitch and Hire. I'm your host Vanya Goyal, and today we have someone who can transform the way you can present yourself professionally, Mrs. Aarti Sharma. Aarti is an internationally certified image consultant and a corporate trainer who specializes in helping professionals stand out, build confidence, and prepare for leadership roles. If you're a job seeker or a fresher wondering how to make a mark in the industry, this episode is for you. Learn how to create a lasting first impression in the interviews, avoid the biggest mistake people make on LinkedIn, and discover what it takes to present yourself like a leader, even if you're just starting out. If you're ready to land your dream job, make a mark as a fresher, stand out in the crowd, this episode is your ultimate guide. Let's dive in. So Aarti, thank you so much for coming here and joining us for this podcast. And guys, again, Aarti को थोड़ा बुलाने में थोड़ा difficult तो था because obviously she is busy with lots of errands that she has been running, and she has her own firm that she is taking care of. And we'll tell you about her, what does she do and everything. We'll discuss about that and how is she making over a lot of people and bringing the change in the society, and how is she helping the corporates in the image makeovers, and that 14 hours program of yours. We will have to talk about that. Let's start with that itself. How can you help somebody change them overnight? Like 14 hours. What are 14 hours? Like, I don't know. 14 hours are nothing. So how are you helping them change themselves in just 14 hours?
First of all, Vanya, I am equally excited as you are. And all the best, this initiative that you have started. I hope it grows and grows. And okay, so my 14-hour program, that means, see, life is not planned. Sometimes we plan many things, but the life takes us somewhere else. And in that phase, the phase where sometimes people get stuck, and they have all the abilities in them. It's just that they need somebody to bring out the best in them. They need a nudge. So this 14-hour program means, so I have an excellent program. For men, it is 360-degree image makeover program, and for women, it is Boss Lady.
Wow.
So both the programs in which I help my clients who are generally mid-career professionals to reinvent themselves to be prepared for the CXO roles.
Wow.
So when I say 14 hours, that means 7 sessions of 2 hours each.
Okay.
Minimum 7 sessions. Sometimes, see, these people already have 10 to 15 plus years of experience. So it's not that I'm going to tell them from just basics. They have that in them. It's just that they get stuck somewhere. So when you have a mentor with you, then I help them create a new personal brand around them, create a new image, and bring out their strengths. And that's how this program works.
So why do you think this image, this is so important for somebody, and especially for the people who are in their mid 30s or mid 40s and who are working in corporates, or non-corporates. So why is it so important? Why is it important to look so good?
Vanya, first of all, let me tell you this thing, that your image is just not your appearance.
Right.
It is who you are as a person. Many a times people say that, Aarti, even after doing my best, I'm not able to get the respect that I'm looking for.
True.
I'm not able to get the credit for the work I'm doing.
Right.
And then I ask them that, are you communicating your strengths to other stakeholders properly?
Right.
So it's not only about what you do, it's how you portray your work.
That's true.
And human beings are visual creatures. We listen through our eyes first and then through our ears.
True. That's true.
So if you present yourself in a way that is attractive to others, you create a pull factor. So it is very important to present yourself for the role you want to have and not for the role you are already doing. So that is one secret. And image makeover doesn't mean only appearance. It has three important factors, which is A, B, and C. A is for appearance, B is for behavior, and C is for communication.
Wow.
So once you are able to outline what do you want to convey through your ABC, then life becomes simpler for you.
Wow. So guys, I think this is the mantra to stay in corporates. Your appearance, your behavior, and how you communicate with your peers. It is very important that how are you portraying yourself in the community. It is important. So आरती के प्रोग्राम में ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ इमेज एनहांसमेंट ही मिलेगा. शी इज ऑल्सो समहाउ लेवलिंग अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज
Absolutely.
राइट कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम दीज थिंग्स इटसेल्फ. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि हम लोग एक ही कंपनी में 5 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, देन वी कम इन हर कंफर्ट जोन एंड दैट्स वेयर हर प्रोग्राम वुड हेल्प यू इन बिकॉज इट विल लेवल अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस, वुड हेल्प यू सीक आउट द जॉब. बिकॉज अभी somebody asked me a question last week. 15 years back, like somebody is looking the job with 15 years of experience, still they are getting rejected again and again. So why? I mean, something is wrong, right? So we will have to find out what.
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने वान्या.
Right.
सो many a times, अभी recently a client, a very senior professional from PwC who is planning for the partner level position. So partner level is the highest
True.
level in PwC in consulting, and she's a CA, and so she told me that, Aarti, my mentor believes in my work. Everybody stands by me, but he's not confident that I'll be able to crack the panel interview,
Yeah.
which is mandatory for the partner level position. And then she said that my mentor told me that, you are doing great. We are so proud of your contribution. She's been in PwC for over 15 years.
Wow.
Yet there is something missing.
Right.
वो जो थोड़ा सा something missing है ना, that is what stops you from taking up the leadership position.
True.
And then they said that something about your presence is missing. So leadership is not only about doing excellent work.
True.
An integral part of leadership is influencing others.
That's true. Yes. And what kind of aura you are creating around
Yes,
people.
your leadership presence,
Right.
which again includes your professional dressing. It includes how you communicate with your team members, with your managers, and of course, see, after 15 years or 10 years down the line in your profession, it's taken for granted that you are excellent at your work. That's why they are considering for the next level position. But now people say that my work speaks for itself. But
Right.
let me tell you, work never speaks for itself.
Right.
Unless and until you make it visible to the right people.
Right.
And that is where an image makeover comes
Right.
in play.
So you will have to make sure that your ownership is visible. Whatever you are doing, your work should be visible, and then only. And for that you will have to communicate. If you are doing your work, आप जा रहे हो ऑफिस जा रहे हो काम कर रहे हो अपना पूरा काम करके आ रहे हो, लेकिन आपके लीडर को पता ही नहीं है आप क्या कर रहे हो.
Huh. And it's not only about doing the right things, portraying it at the right place, and of course influencing others through your work, inspiring others. You must have seen, Vanya, how some people just by entry to a room, they own the energy of the room.
Right.
And
The way you
everyone,
did just now.
thank you. And everyone in the room, they want to be associated with this person.
Right.
That is called leadership presence.
True.
And the good news is that we all can learn it.
Right.
Nobody is born with it. If you look at any great leader, any of your favorite leaders, think about them. and some special their personal style would come in your mind. How they communicate. If you think about Abdul Kalam Azad, we call him Missile Man.
Right.
How can we forget his hairstyle? Talk about anybody. Who is your favorite leader, Vanya?
Mr. Late Ratan Tata ji.
Okay, Ratan Tata. Now, when we say Ratan Tata, what comes to your mind?
Whatever good work he has done so far, and he has built such a big empire. मतलब उनके फादर ने उनको एक ऑलरेडी इतना लेगेसी दिया था, but then he
And
took
you know that
it forward.
He was not born in that family.
Right.
And yet he was able to cultivate all the values that were given to
True.
him. And the kind of brand Ratan Tata has created, there are so many industrialists. Yet when we talk about Ratan Tata, that honesty, that giving back to the society,
Right.
that immediately touches our heart.
That's true.
So that is the power of an authentic personal brand. So that doesn't mean that he only shows that. He has lived that all his life.
True.
And that is what makes a personal brand. That you just don't have to appear competent. You have to live that from the time you get up in the morning to the time you go to bed. You are portraying that in everything you do, whether
True.
it's your dressing, whether it is you are communicating with your peers, you are communicating with your workers, you are communicating with your team. Yet that special factor that makes you different from all others who are there with you, that is your own personal brand.
So guys, point is जिनके 1 million followers है सिर्फ वही influencer नहीं है. You can also be influencer. You can also be a role model for somebody.
Excellent, Vanya. बिल्कुल bang on. We all have that in us that we can influence anybody. See, think about it. When you get up in the morning, I would give you one small tip.
Yeah.
When you get up in the morning, how do we all get up? Generally, and especially the youngsters.
Open the phone.
That's fine. I'm not asking you to stop that. But even before that, late हो गए.
हाँ.
अभी ये सब करना है. So the moment we get up from the bed, we are already overwhelmed.
Right.
So if you are starting your day with that anxiety, what are you going to receive?
Right.
So I would just add a 1 second exercise. Can you give me 1 minute of your early morning? I'm not asking for an elaborate 1 hour routine, morning routine. Don't get up at 5 a.m. Get up whenever you want. Just take 1 minute out. The moment you get up from the bed, take 1 moment to just sit and smile intently. And just say, thank you, God, for this day. Whosoever you believe in. 1 moment of smiling and gratitude would start your day at a note that you will be surprised that it will bring all the good things towards you.
Yes. True.
उसके बाद phone देखो, जो भी करो, but 1 moment. So I want all of you to get up every day and smile intently instead of getting up with a frown.
Right.
That will change the game.
True. And if you will bring this in your practice, then it will definitely bring a change in your life. And then आप सुबह ही अच्छे मन से उठोगे तो पूरा दिन आपका अच्छा जाएगा.
Absolutely. See, when you smile, you are giving the universe a signal that, I'm happy.
Right.
And then the universe gives you more opportunities to be happier about.
Right.
So isn't that a great thing?
Yes. Absolutely. And I think, guys, you will have to start indulging this thing in your day-to-day routine.
Yes.
These affirmations, like we say कि नहीं ये तो अब कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं ना, वो लोग स्टार्ट तो करते हैं 1 week 2 weeks and then they leave it because they say कि नहीं कुछ काम तो कर नहीं रहा है, but then everything takes time. Good things take time. ये मुझे तो ये लगता है, like this is the mantra. Good things actually take time. So you will have to be patient and live your moment. हो सकता है आपको 1 year बाद इसका रिजल्ट दिखे, but then just be consistent because it is not taking more than few moments of yours, right?
मैं तो बोलूँगी वान्या 1 year की वेट नहीं करनी. आपको ये immediate result दिखेगा. For example, if you start your day with a smile, you'll feel good. And that is the return. What else do you want? So if something can make you feel good, what else do you want? So you're starting a day at a good note. And that's it. उससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए?
True. Absolutely. I think this was great. Like moving forward, Aarti, I also, when I was checking your profile, I saw a few things about time management that you have mentioned. So आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट फॉर टुडेज जनरेशन, जो एकदम से भीड़ भाड़ में भाग में लगे हुए हैं आज की जनरेशन की, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है, बट वन थिंग दैट दे मिस इज़ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. उनको एक्चुअली नहीं आता है. अब उनको लगता है कि मेरे को आज 10 टास्क दे दिए हैं बट मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है इसको करने का. देन दे गेट ओवरवेल्म और उसको वर्क प्रेशर में वो कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. देन दे कन्वर्ट इनटू द एग्जाइटी एंड देन फिर वो बोलते हैं कि इस कंपनी में तो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस ही नहीं है. बट वट where they are lacking is with the time management. So we want you to give some time management tips to our job seekers and the people who are working in the corporates right now, right? How can they manage their work and their timings?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने वान्या, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच पीपल स्ट्रगल विद इन टूडेज टाइम. सो एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट, ओके, टेल मी वन थिंग वान्या, डू यू बिलीव इन द फैक्ट दैट टाइम इज़ मनी?
Yeah, true.
But I don't believe in that. You know why? Because money, if wasted, can be earned, but time wasted cannot be earned.
That's true.
So time is not money, time is life. If you are 30 years old, that means 30 years of your life have already passed. Whatever you do, you can't bring that back.
True.
So you understand, time is the most precious resource, even more precious than money.
Yeah.
So if we understand the importance of time, then we won't waste it. When I say waste, I'm not saying that, you know, just scrolling Instagram is wastage of time. If that helps you in your life, maybe, you know, spending time on social media would get you something which you are looking for, an information or knowledge, it's great. But if that is overpowering you, that you plan to scroll Insta for, say, 15 minutes and you end up doing it for 1 hour. In fact, think about Netflix. You just sit to
Don't
watch.
even get started on Netflix.
So then binge watching.
Yeah.
That's fine once in a while, but if that is taking you away from your goals,
Yeah.
so that is absolutely waste.
Right.
So I would say, to manage your time better, you need to have a blueprint of what you want in life.
True.
If you know that this is where I want to reach and these are the steps I need to take, and especially at this, when we are talking in December, so New Year 2025 is around the corner.
Right.
What better time to
Take the new resolutions.
Yes, not only resolution, plan for the new year.
Right.
Plan for what do you want to achieve in this coming year.
But I think 80% people must be planning their New Year parties.
That's also important. Do plan that. वो भी plan करना है. वो तो एक ही रात की बात है ना. उसके बाद पूरा साल पड़ा है. What do I have to do?
Right.
Once you have clarity of your goals, then nothing can take you away from the steps that you want to take. तो आपको time management भी आ जाएगा. Time इसलिए manage नहीं कर पाते हैं because we don't have clarity of what we want to achieve.
True.
Every day we go to office, we tick the task, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. But how is it related to your own personal goals? Is it helping you move forward in your professional life? Helping you achieve what you want to achieve? If you are able to correlate both the things, then you will be able to manage your time well. उसके अलावा बहुत से excellent hacks हैं time management के. अगर हम उस पर शुरू हो गए तो पूरा हमारा podcast उसी में जाएगा.
That's true.
But I would say that have clarity of what you want to achieve in your life, at least for 1 year. Plan your 1 year and then it will help you manage your time better. उसके अंदर आप फिर सब कुछ कर सकते हो. अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के लिए भी टाइम निकाल सकते हो, पर्सनल लाइफ के लिए, पार्टी के लिए भी और नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए भी.
True. So this was absolutely bang on. और guys, time management is very important skill. और अगर आपने ये learn कर लिया तो I think आप then you have done everything in your life. Because this is a skill that not everybody can learn, and then if you want to learn it, you can definitely connect with Aarti anytime. She's always available over LinkedIn, and she can also book an appointment with her, because this is what she does, the image makeovers and your time management skills. She can guide you in everything. So reach out to her. She is very good. Okay, moving forward. So Aarti, corporates, like let's talk about that. Any experience of yours that you have presented or trained in any corporate, something that you want to share, any story?
Many. In fact, recently I had a time management program only about which you were talking about. So these were some chosen group of people. So generally I work with VPs and above.
Okay.
So these are the people who already have spent, say, 10 to 15 years down in their career, and they have already done all that. They are excellent in their work. But then, what is that distinguishing factor? What is stopping them from reaching the top? So generally, we cover on those topics. So we have a training need analysis with the stakeholders, maybe the HR head or the concerned people, and then we sit and talk about which are the areas they are struggling, which are the areas they want guidance on, and then we curate the program for them. So that might include time management, that also might include their communication skills. As you know, communication is the backbone of all relationships, whether personal or professional. So communication पे बहुत काम करने की ज़रूरत है. Their leadership presence, as we talked about, their executive presence, and how to negotiate, how to influence, all these are very important.
So guys, actually communication is very important. अगर आज we will take the interviews for 10 candidates, and then उसमें से we will always choose the person who has best communication and confidence if we have to choose and make a choice among 10, right?
Absolutely.
So she also helps to enhance your confidence in communication.
Yes.
And it is actually important nowadays, because आज के टाइम में जो freshers है ना, वही कॉलेज से इतना confident होके निकल रहे हैं because they come they just own that place, they create that aura, and whenever they come for the interview, I've done this, I've done that, this is my vision, this is what I want to do in life. But at the same point, there are some freshers जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि लाइफ में करना क्या है, who are like probably उनको right guidance नहीं मिला है. So some tips that you want to give to these kind of freshers who are missing that guidance in the life.
सबसे पहले तो एक बहुत important tip ये है that whether you are confident or you are not confident, when you are sitting for an interview, think from the point of view that I need to share with the interviewer what I've already done and associate it with your values or qualities. For example, if they ask you about what are your strengths, which is a very common question, and most of the students would say, I'm hardworking, I'm reliable. You know, ये तो सभी बोलेंगे. So what sets you apart is whatever quality you talk about yourself, give one example of how you have actually implemented it in your daily life. For example, if you say that I have great organizational skills. How? We had a fest in our college, and I was responsible for the organizing of various stalls or whatever you did in that. So whatever quality you are conveying them, you are sharing with them, tell them how. Give an example. जैसे हम स्कूल में कुछ पढ़ते थे ना, definition, then along with it हमें एक टीचर example बताती थी. For example. So you must express your story of how you have implemented that in your daily life, and that would make you memorable. That would make your presence in the interviewer's mind fresh, because that would be your distinguishing factor from all others who are giving the interview.
True.
That would be your own story, your own experience.
True.
और वो अगर interviewer को अच्छा लग गया, your work is done.
Great. That was a great tip. So we connected with you over LinkedIn itself. So let's talk about LinkedIn. Why did you join LinkedIn first of all? And then, few mistakes that people are doing over LinkedIn related to personal branding.
सबसे पहले तो I would like to share the story how I started my LinkedIn. बहुत मज़ेदार story है. So once one of my CEO clients who was very happy with my work, and we had a long association, and he towards the end of the association he said, Aarti, do share your LinkedIn profile with me. और मैं सच बता रही हूँ, I didn't know what LinkedIn किस चिड़िया का नाम है. And I was like, he said something, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. So this is from where I started. So I asked one of my friends that my client was asking for a profile on something called LinkedIn. ये होता क्या है? And then she said, you don't know about LinkedIn? So it's a professional platform. I said, अच्छा. So मैंने कहा मुझे उसे प्रोफाइल भेजना है, CEO client है, I have guided him. अभी मेरा जो प्रोफाइल है उसमें कम से कम 500 कनेक्शंस तो होने ही चाहिए. आई मेड अ प्रोफाइल स्पेसिफिकली फॉर हिम एंड टू इम्प्रेस हिम कम से कम 500 कनेक्शन तो होने ही चाहिए. एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी. एंड विद इन अ फ्यू मंथ्स आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. उस टाइम पे AI भी नहीं था कि थोड़ा हेल्प कर देता. सो आई यूज टू सिट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर हाफ एन आवर 1 hour एंड राइट समथिंग वट एवर इज what came out from me naturally. And I started writing and people started liking it. And देखते देखते I had 500 plus followers. और जब जैसे ही 500 hit हुआ I shared my profile with him.
Okay.
And today rest is history. Today I have more than 67,000 followers. And
Wow.
it's like my family. I get hundreds of connection requests, tens of meeting requests. And LinkedIn has been an amazing platform for me.
Right.
And people
It
associate
helped you
with
grow
me.
and to connect with more.
Yes,
good.
not only helped me grow, I was able to reach more and more people were able to reach out to me from across the world.
Right.
Earlier, my value addition was for people who were here in Delhi or
Right.
maybe NCR.
Mhm.
But through LinkedIn, I was able to reach out to people who are working in all parts. So today I'm working with people from Canada, from USA, Pennsylvania, Australia, UAE, Singapore. So rest is history. So LinkedIn is an amazing platform. You must leverage it.
Right. So mistakes that people are making over LinkedIn when it comes to personal branding.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. सबसे पहले they are trying to, follow what others are telling.
Mhm.
Be your authentic self. I was able to cultivate this community because I showed who I was. In fact, then once I had a good community, then people started reaching out to me. मैम हम आपका LinkedIn और अच्छा कर देंगे. हम आपको हम आपके लिए ये कर देंगे. I said अच्छा क्या कर दोगे आप? And they started telling me हम ऐसा कर देंगे, हम ऐसा कर देंगे. And I was like, I do not want it at all. The biggest mistake people do on LinkedIn is just following a framework कि हम ऐसा लिख देंगे, हम वैसा लिख देंगे. And do not make it just for your own self.
Right.
हम सोचते हैं बस LinkedIn से ना मुझे काम मिल जाएगा, मुझे नौकरी मिल जाएगी, which is definitely important. But that should not be the only goal. Your goal should be that that's a genuine platform where you can express who you are. So your LinkedIn profile should be able to show who you actually are and not copying anybody कि आजकल ये हिट चल रहा है तो मैं ये it's not Insta कि यहाँ पे ये ट्रेंड हिट चल रहा है तो मैं वो फॉलो कर लूँ. That is the difference. People use LinkedIn as resume dump. कि सबको resume भेज रहे हैं. That will never get you a job. But if you are able to maintain a profile which actually showcases your personal brand, do post if you are attending some seminars, some lectures, do post that on LinkedIn. That shows your credibility, your interest in what you want to do.
True.
So this is how you can use LinkedIn for your advantage.
Oh, nice. So we left this topic untouched in between about the role model and the influencer. So let's talk about that. Who do you want to be, a role model or an influencer? I want to be both.
So I can't say I want to be, I am.
Okay, I mean on that note, एक बहुत important question मेरे को आया, माइंड में स्ट्राइक किया. अब जैसे वर्किंग वुमेन है and then they will have to take care of the house, office and everything, and then they'll have to take care of themselves as well. So how did you maintain yourself? Some tips for these working women कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए खुद के लिए, कि अब वो क्या होता है वो भूल जाती है because they have office work, then they have to take care of their kid, but then they forget about themselves itself कि यार उनको ये समझना पड़ता है यार अब जिम अगर जाना है या योगा करने जाना है तो वो 1 hour हम कैसे निकालें. वो 1 hour निकालना उनके लिए कितना मुश्किल है.
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है वान्या. और ये तो आई थिंक ऑल वुमेन. एंड सबसे पहले तो मैं वुमेन को ये बोलूँगी दैट स्टे attached to your femininity. Being successful doesn't mean that we have to copy men.
Yeah.
We have to, in fact, the more you will be rooted in your feminine power, it would be easier for you to handle life's pressures.
Right.
See, the softness, the empathy that we women have, that is our superpower.
Yes.
Never think that, to reach the top, I have to be that. This is a cutthroat competition, and I have to be there, and I have to, compete with men. No, see, men and women are complementary.
Right.
The qualities which you have, own those qualities.
Yeah.
And whether it is managing your time, whether it is creating a work-life balance, you know what? You think about any big leader. I think my favorite is Indra Nooyi.
Wow.
So how she managed at that time when there was no internet? She had to research on every new industry she was working with. She was in consulting, and every time they would give her an absolute new industry. जिसके बारे में उन्हें कुछ नहीं मालूम था. She would hire people who were excellent in that industry, and in early morning she would have sessions with them to learn. So never shy away from learning, whether it is men or women. You have to work extra hard. See, if you सबसे पहले तो मैं बोलूँगी dream big. Not dreaming big is a crime.
Right.
So whatever you dream, you can make it a reality by working towards it. And women, एक तो जो तुम्हारे को भगवान ने एक गिफ्ट दिया है, that softness, that empathy, own that. And yes, along with that, थोड़ा extra hard work तो करना पड़ता है, because हमें खुद ही नहीं चैन आता if you are not able to look after our kids. Because that is, if you ask me today that even after reaching all the heights in my professional career, and I love my work, yet if you ask me what is the favorite part of your life, I would say being a mother.
That's true.
So stay attached to your roots and handle each day as it comes, and do take care of yourself.
If you don't mind me asking, what do you do, gym or yoga?
Yes. So I've always been a walk person all my life.
Okay.
So I used to walk around 10,000 steps every day.
Wow.
4 years, still 4 years ago. So when the day I was 45, so I realized that, at this age, the muscle mass goes down. And then a friend of mine who's a doctor, she said that, Aarti, now it's time that you hit the gym. Because gym helps you retain your muscle mass and build your muscles. I wish I could show you. I have amazing muscles. Morning maybe मैं gym होके आई हूँ, so I do hit the gym 4 times a week.
Wow.
And yes, I still walk if I get time, but gym definitely.
Okay, I have recently taken the break because of some personal errands, but then I'll also rejoin the gym now after taking inspiration from you, because it gives you another level of, I would say, zeal as well, because you meet people, you make friends there, and then you dance, you do yoga over there, so it gives you another level of happiness as well, right?
Definitely, it helps you start your day at a positive and powerful note.
Right. So and then there's this saying, look good, feel good.
Absolutely. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. That is my mantra.
Yeah, right. Great. So what is that first thing that you notice about somebody when somebody enters the room?
The energy that they bring.
Okay.
How they smile, how confident they are in their walk. These are the simple things. Not only me. Do you know, Vanya, that how much time does it take to create a first impression, if I ask you?
Few seconds, I believe.
Absolutely. And in less than 5 seconds, people notice you over 12 different parameters. And these could be your education, your cultural background, even your sexual orientation, your trustworthiness, and whatnot.
Right.
So you cannot afford to miss out on those 5 seconds.
Right.
So how you walk, how you enter a room, how you smile at others, that creates an aura around you. And never skip that.
Okay, great. So on that note, I want to ask, you must be meeting lots and lots of people every day on a day-to-day basis, and then you must be meeting new clients as well of yours. And then, for example, if some client tells you that Aarti, I don't have that much of a time, ऐसा होता होगा, सबके पास होता है कि
especially the politicians with whom I've worked,
right,
उनके पास कभी time
नहीं होता. And then somebody says आपके पास बस 5 minutes है, and then you will have to impress me. So me or somebody as a person, how can we impress our client in those 5 minutes? और जो भी pitch है, like you're telling about your company, I could be telling about my company. So how can we impress somebody in those 5 minutes? Like some tips for that.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. आई वुड गिव यू, सबसे पहले तो आई वुड गिव यू फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ अ 1 minute पिच.
Right.
अपने लिए, आपने सबने अपने लिए वो 1 minute पिच लिखनी है, दिमाग में नहीं, पेपर पे.
Paper पे.
और I love writing on paper because I firmly believe that when you write it on paper, it gets written on the heart. बाकी आप अपने नोटपैड पे भी लिख सकते हो. Write, first of all, write who you are, your name, your qualification, and what you are doing recently. Then you write about what problem you can solve. See, आपकी कुछ स्पेशलिटी होगी ना, इवन इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट एंड देर आर ऑल अदर स्टूडेंट्स अलॉन्ग विद यू, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा होगा आप में, आपने कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की क्वालिटी होगी. टॉक अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम इन द फर्स्ट 10 seconds. Talk about your name, your designation or your education. Then in 20 seconds, you talk about the problem that you solve. This world is looking for people who can solve problems. In the next 20 seconds, talk about the solution you can provide
True.
of that problem. And in the last 10 seconds, be ready for an ask.
Right.
That when you are meeting somebody, what is that one thing you want to ask from them?
Right.
If you follow this framework of 60 second, that is your introduction framework, or that what we call an elevator pitch or 1 minute pitch, उसको लिखना है, दिमाग में नहीं सोचना है. Work on it and keep working on it. And then you see, आप किसी को भी मिल सकते हो and you'll be able to impress that person in 1 minute.
Wow. I mean, this was amazing. I think this will work for everybody, for me or for anybody who is going to pitch to their clients or to their customers or anybody. So this would vary for everybody, guys. आपका जो भी profile है, जो भी आपका product है, उसके according you will have to make variations in your pitch. You can use ChatGPT for that matter after writing the basics.
पहले
of it.
अपने आप लिखो.
Right.
And then AI can help you in,
Right.
Fine
tune it and
fine
enhance
tune
it.
it. हाँ. But आप ही जान सकते हो ना, AI नहीं जानेगा आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम आप लोगों की
Right.
सॉल्व कर सकते हो. What is that special quality about you?
True.
So
So always go with the solution, even if you are going to your team lead for that matter, for any problem. So if you'll go to them with a suggestion, then definitely it will make a difference in your career. Right?
absolutely.
Right. Okay. So moving forward, I want to ask about what is the importance of getting dress up in the interviews, because I am seeing this notion to be neglected these days. People are not prioritizing it. In fact, mostly in the virtual interviews, इतना casual बैठ जाएंगे, उठे हैं. But I have seen people sitting in vests as well in the interviews. And then वो बैठे हैं, interview दे रहे हैं, एकदम casually दे रहे हैं. And then why is it so important?
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है ये, बिकॉज द क्लोथ्स दैट यू वेयर हैज़ अ ह्यूज साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट फर्स्ट ऑन द वियरर एंड देन ऑन द व्यूअर.
Right.
And there's a term called enclothed cognition. You can Google this term, which says that these clothes would make you look more professional.
Right.
For example, I'm also wearing a third layer, you are also wearing a third layer. But when we have to go for a party or maybe a holiday, we won't wear this.
Right.
So you must dress up appropriately to your role and goal. So what is your goal when you are sitting for an interview? That the other person should select you over all others.
Right.
But if you are not able to portray an image that you are competent, how many people will actually get a chance to work with you?
Right.
Very few. But at least you should fit the bill, that at least you look like the person who would be able to do justice with their work.
Right.
So बहुत important है, dress professionally, at least wear a collared shirt. And for women, if it's an online interview, देखो इतना ही दिखाई देगा. So you should be absolutely well groomed, whether it is your hair. Men, if they have beard, it should be absolutely trimmed. Do not just get up with, sometimes so I've seen people with nose hair. It's an absolutely no. Trim your hair well. For women, dress nicely and do not wear too many bright colors. For there should be a balance of colors.
Right.
Not big jhumkas. You must appear professional.
Right.
See, to get that job, at least you should look like the right person. काम कैसा करोगे वो तो बाद में पता चलेगा.
Right.
So at least you should look like the right person.
True. So apart from that, give some tips for this behavioral skill that is very important in corporates. So how can they manage that and how can they prioritize that? Because I have seen this one also being neglected these days. क्योंकि virtually a lot of people are working remotely these days. So for the remote people and the people who are working in office, how can they make the difference who are working remotely, and how can they show that yes, they are also following these kind of rules still being at home?
First, dress well.
Come on video calls.
बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी. सी क्या होता है ना, पहले वीडियो कॉल्स पे नहीं आते. वंस दे रीच द मैनेजरियल पोजीशन, तो मैनेजर को तो वीडियो कॉल पे आना ही पड़ता है. एंड देन दे फील द नीड टू हाउ टू ड्रेस वेल, हाउ टू ड्रेस प्रोफेशनली, बिकॉज नाउ एज अ मैनेजर यू नीड टू influence others also.
Yes.
So why not start it from the very first day? Be the person so that others get inspired by you. I say, why not inspire people on daily basis just by being you? So first is dress well. Keep your videos on. Never shy away from connecting with your peers. ये नहीं कि मीटिंग खत्म हुई तो खत्म हुई. ऑनलाइन पे भी है. Arrange some meetings with them. Get to know them better. Nothing beats if you are able to meet for a coffee or a chit chat. See, end of the day, we all are humans.
Right.
We need to build those relationships. Build relationships. And I tell you, sometimes people come to me and they say that, Aarti, मैं चाहता हूँ पर मुझे कोई बुलाता नहीं है. I said, why don't you be the first one?
Right.
Be the first one to say hello. Be the first one to smile. Be the first one to invite for a coffee. You see, your life will transform.
Right.
Because everybody is waiting for that person who would ask them for a coffee. So be that person. Now, once you reach a certain level, in fact, in the beginning also, one very important skill we all need to work on is listening intently.
Wow. Very important.
हम लोग बोलने में इतना बिलीव करते हैं कि कोई पूछे सही मैं बोलने को तैयार हूँ. And those who are quiet and shy also, they also get into their zone, लेकिन सुनता कोई नहीं है. देखो, भगवान ने हमें 2 कान और 1 जुबान दी है. मतलब listen double and speak half.
Right.
So you must listen to what others are telling you, because if you are able to listen to them, you will be able to find out what they want from you, and you will save so much of time that you would otherwise waste in misinterpretation. So listening is one skill I want all of you to acquire.
And another one is punctuality. I saw you were very punctual on time.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. Time management. See, time is life.
Right.
If you will not respect your time, you will not respect others' time. That means that is the first impression you create.
And then if you are going for the interviews, you have to be punctual. Go there 5 minutes early or 15 minutes early. It is important.
Absolutely.
And even if it's a virtual interview, then also join. I mean, interviewers should not wait. It has happened with me that I have been waiting for people 15 minutes. So what kind of impression you are leaving on me if I have to wait for you to take the interview?
Sometimes कुछ technical glitch भी हो जाते हैं, so you must join
Drop
10 to
an
15
email.
minutes before the joining of your
Right,
online
it is important
interview.
and it will definitely leave a positive impact if you leave join early.
ज़रूरी है. ये तो basic है. See, reaching on time, dressing professionally, creating a positive aura, ये तो नॉन नेगोशिएबल है. ये तो बेसिक है.
Right.
उसके अलावा आप कुछ भी ऐड ऑन कर सकते हो. दैट यू आर अ ग्रेट लिसनर, यू आर अ ग्रेट कम्युनिकेटर, यू आर अ ग्रेट प्रेजेंटर. ऑल दीज आर एडेड एडवांटेजेस, पर ये तो नॉन नेगोशिएबल है, बेसिक है.
Great. So I think topics are a lot to discuss with Aarti, but then this would go on. So let's end this podcast now. And guys, again, she has talked about a lot of things, about time management, about communication skills, about image consulting and all those things. So if you have any doubts or anything you would want to talk to her, you can always reach out to her, as I mentioned earlier. And we will also tag her LinkedIn page in this podcast description. You can find her from there. Right? And keep following her, keep following Pitch and Hire. Any closing notes that you would want to add?
I would say, be the person who inspires others. So get inspired and inspire others.
That was great, and this you can also take this mantra, because she has given lots of quotes for you if you would want to take so yeah guys, till then if you would want to see Aarti again, you will have to share a lot of love on this video so that we can invite her and it will motivate her to come back here again, because it was tough to bring her here today.
Thank you for having me here.
Right.
My
And
pleasure.
then, yeah, till then, keep subscribing, keep liking. And if you have anything you would want to ask her, you can also post in the comment. We will ask her and drop the message. Till then, bye-bye. Take care, everybody.
Bye bye. Have a blessed day ahead.